Children, in this video, we will talk about climatic control. So what are climatic control? Children, climatic control, they are the factors which affect the climate of any region or weather of any region. For example, latitude, altitude, pressure and wind, distance from sea, ocean current and relief. Now children, see here, first is latitude. Due to curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to latitude. As a result, air temperature decreases from equator towards pole. You can see here, children, as we move towards the polar area, what happens? The sunlight is received in this area is very less, and hence this area remains frozen. You can see here, direct sunlight is received here, whereas slanting sunlight is here. In this, you can see this south pole remains in dark, whereas north pole receive maximum light, because this time sun rays are falling vertical over the Tropic of Cancer, so maximum heat is received in the northern hemisphere. Next is altitude. As one goes from the surface of the earth to higher altitude, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. It means as we go to high altitude, there is fall in temperature. Next is pressure and wind. The pressure and wind system of an area depend on latitude and altitude of a place. Thus, it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern. Children, for pressure and wind, I will send you one video explaining this pressure and wind system in detail. Now come to the next, distance from sea. As the distance from sea increases, its moderating influence decreases and the people experience extreme weather condition. Example, Delhi is having extreme weather. It means in winter temperature goes to 1 degree Celsius and in summer temperature reaches up to 45 degrees Celsius. This type of condition is known as continental type. Now come to ocean current. Children, in class 7th you have learned about ocean current. There are two types of ocean current, warm current and cold current. Warm current generally originate at equator, whereas cold current at polar region. So how they affect the climate of coastal area? See children, warm currents make the onshore wind warm and cold current, they make the onshore wind cold. Next most important feature is relief. Relief plays a very important role in determining the climate of a place. High mountains act as a barrier for cold and hot winds. They may also cause precipitation. If they are high enough and lie in the path of rain-bearing wind, the windward side receives more rainfall and the leeward side remains dry. Now see here in this map, in this diagram, this is a mountain and this area, children, this area is windward side. So this area receive heavy rainfall. You see clouds strike this area and bring rainfall. Here the mountain act as a barrier and this is the leeward side. This side is leeward side. Hence this side remains dry or receive very little rainfall. Now come to the next, that is factors affecting the Indian climate. So children, the factor which we have studied, these factors only affect the Indian climate. Now we will study how these factors affect Indian climate in detail in the next video. So again you can see factors are the same: latitude, altitude, relief, distance from sea, Himalayan mountain, distribution of land and water, then surface winds, upper air circulation and western cyclonic disturbance.